What's up? Where are we at? We are at a ticket getting pulled over if I don't put my seatbelt on. We are at Lake Ouachita State Park again, and it looks like a crime scene happened over here beside us. I don't know what's going on.
Why do they strap it around cars?
I don't know.
That's so weird.
I just work here.
People's poor cars.
So Lake Ouachita State Park is just north of Hot Springs National Park, which Hot Springs, the city of Hot Springs, right?
Right.
And there is all kinds of stuff to do in Hot Springs. If you have not come to Arkansas or not familiar with Arkansas, there's what's called Bathhouse Row. I'm not going to get into that, but you can Google it. It's really cool. For the kids, there's, what is that, Mid-America Science Museum. It's
a lot of fun.
And they have the big tower that you can look over all the Ozarks that goes up. It's
the watchtower?
Yeah, if you're scared of heights,
yeah, you probably don't want to do that.
It might not be a thing. We're all curious as to what everyone else's campers look like inside. So here are 3 different travel trailer floor plans that our friends own. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And thanks again for letting us take a tour of your campers. Alright, so this is going to be a funny part in the video. We're trying. I say we. April's trying a new hammock.
That you got me
Let's
for
see
Christmas.
Yeah, that I got you for Christmas. So it's legit. It should hold you, I promise.
Well,
it's not one of.
Did you put it on right?
It's not one of those funny. Drum roll. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's so thin. Oh my goodness. Go for it. Oh yeah. Oh man, that rock right there
I'll see you tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, bye.
It worked.
I did.
Well, that was disappointing. Not really, because we're a long ways away from a hospital. All right, I'll see you later.
Bye.
Really?
Bye.
See? It's like a swing.
Can
you take my shoes off? I'm going too fast again. Damn. Again? Hey, don't go play.
So people used to come to these springs in the late 1800s thinking that this would heal you. From the 1800s, late 1800s to the 1950s, this stuff was bottled up and sold around the nation as part of a gimmick, would you say, and people thought that it healed them. So this is the Three Sisters. This is the Three Sisters Spring.
Oh, wow, it's so cold.
Yeah?